Good day, grade 10s, and welcome back to another lesson in geography. In this lesson, we're going to finish the last two types of folds that we couldn't get to in our previous lesson. Your lesson objective then remains the same. You should be able to identify and explain the different folds. The next type of fold that we're going to look at is a recumbent fold. If you think back to our previous lesson, we mentioned that folds form as a result of compressional force. When we have two plate tectonics coming together, converging, they apply compressional force. Depending on the intensity of that compressional force, we then form these different types of folds. If the compressional force is a bit lighter, we get anticline and synclines that form the symmetrical folds. When the compressional force is increased or intensified, we then get overfolds, recumbent folds, and your overthrust folds. In my recumbent fold, I can see that the rock is a bit more warped and bent. And that is because the compressional force is higher. How am I going to identify it? I'm going to look at a very distinctive S shape that the rock actually makes. Recumbent folds, they form these asymmetrical folds, and they form as a result of that intense compressional force. All you have to do is look for the S shape within the folds itself. The last type of fold is my overthrust fold. This fold is also known as a fault because due to the immense pressure, we see that the folds actually break and tear apart. So we find that the layers of rock are no longer joined like we would find in our recumbent, our overfold, and our anticline and syncline. If you look at the example here, we can clearly see that this layer and this layer is the same rock. It was once joined. But because of the immense pressure, it snapped and broke apart. And now we don't find this continuous layer like we find in our recumbent fold over here and in our overfold and our anticline and syncline. So an overthrust fold is due, or it forms due to that immense pressure that causes the rock and layers to actually break and push forward from one another.